ते गाण्याच्या स्वरूपात डान्स म्हणतो. ते कितपत लोकांना पटेल हा प्रश्नचिन्ह.
हो, ते आम्ही डिलीट करणार. त्याच्याबद्दलच राजसाहेबांनी तोच सल्ला दिलाय मला.
Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj, a fearless warrior who stood tall against the mighty Mughal Empire, a leader whose courage and sacrifice still echo in the hearts of millions. Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj, the son of the legendary Shivaji Maharaj, was not just a ruler but a symbol of defiance and unshakable resolve. However, a Bollywood movie based on the life of this Maratha ruler ignited controversy in Maharashtra. The upcoming Bollywood movie, Chhawa, which has been at the center of a heated debate, has undergone a major change after strong reactions from the Maratha community and political leaders. Today, let's delve into this story. But before that, please do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and press the bell icon to never miss an update. It all began last week when the trailer of Chhawa was released in Mumbai. Starring Vicky Kaushal as the valiant Maratha warrior Sambhaji Maharaj, the film is based on Shivaji Savant's acclaimed book of the same name. The trailer promised to bring alive the legacy of Sambhaji Maharaj, focusing on his bravery, leadership, and reign as the Chhatrapati. However, amidst the grandeur, one particular scene sparked outrage. A depiction of Sambhaji Maharaj performing a lazim dance with Maharani Yesubai. For many, this scene was not just historically inaccurate but also an insult to the revered warrior king. The backlash was swift and intense. Protests erupted across Maharashtra with Maratha organizations leading the charge. In Pune, protesters gathered at the historic Lal Mahal, warning the makers to correct the alleged distortion of history. Some groups even declared that they would block the film's release in Maharashtra if their demands were not met. Adding to the weight of the protest was the voice of Sambhaji Raje Chhatrapati, a direct descendant of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and a former member of parliament. He questioned the historical accuracy of the film and urged the filmmakers to respect the Maratha king's legacy.
माझं म्हणणं आहे लेझिम खेळणं हे काही चुकीचं नाहीये. लेझिम खेळणं काय, कारण आपला तो सांस्कृतिक ठेवा आहे. पण त्याचबरोबर तो नृत्य म्हणण्यापेक्षा डान्स, म्हणजे ज्याला इंग्लिशमध्ये आपण डान्स म्हणतो, ते गाण्याच्या स्वरूपात डान्स म्हणतो. ते कितपत लोकांना पटेल हा प्रश्नचिन्ह. मग त्याच्यासाठी बसणं गरजेचं आहे, त्यांचे विचार विनिमय गरजेचं आहे.
Amid the rising tension, Chhawa's director Lakshman Utekar took a decisive step. On Monday, he met with Maharashtra Navnirman Sena MNS chief Raj Thakre in Mumbai. Following the meeting, Utekar made a significant announcement to the media. In his statement, he clarified that the controversial dance sequence would be removed from the film. He explained that the scene was simply a creative depiction but emphasized that nothing is more important than preserving the legacy of Sambhaji Maharaj.
पण हा सगळा वाद होतोय लेझिम खेळताना जी दृश्य आहेत ते तुम्ही सिनेमाच्या इतिहासात
हो,
बघणार.
ते आम्ही डिलीट करणार. त्याच्याबद्दलच राजसाहेबांनी तोच सल्ला दिलाय मला. आणि डेफिनेटली त्याच्या मागे कुणालाही कुणाच्याही भावना दुखावण्याचा हे नव्हतं, इंटेन्शन नव्हतं. पण जर त्याच्यामुळे इनडायरेक्टली जर कोणाच्या भावना दुखावत असतील किंवा कोणाला असं वाटत असेल की आपले राजे असे नाचत नसतील किंवा नसले, तर डेफिनेटली, कारण तो फिल्मचा काही मोठा भाग नाहीये, तो एक छोटासा भाग आहे. त्याच्यामुळे डेफिनेटली आम्ही तो डिलीट करू. आणि एवढा मोठा सिनेमा बनवण्यामागचं कारण एवढंच आहे की छत्रपती संभाजी महाराज काय होते हे अख्ख्या जगाला कळू देत. तो किती मोठा योद्धा होता, किती महान राजा होता, हे सगळ्या जगाला कळायला हवं. आणि म्हणून हा चित्रपट बनवलाय. पण जर अशा एक दोन गोष्टी जर त्याला गालबोट लावत असतील तर त्या डिलीट करायला आम्हाला काही हरकत नाही.
For a figure as revered as Sambhaji Maharaj, any portrayal carries immense responsibility. With the objectionable scenes now set to be removed, the focus shifts back to the film's core promise, honoring the valor and legacy of the Maratha king. Hope the film does justice to its promise. That's all for now. Stay tuned to Lokmat Times for more such stories. Thank you.